How a smart door lock can make your everyday life easier. No more headache of leaving the keys under the doormat. No more worries to call and disturb your kids or parents while coming back late to home. No more worries of your keys getting copied or stolen. No need of fumbling with your keys anymore. Introducing Biometric Smart Door Lock. The simple, smart, safe and dynamic door lock comes with 4-in-1 access modes: Biometric, Smart Touch, Mechanical Key and Smartphone. Replace keys with your fingerprints. Register up to 100 fingerprints for keyless access. Deletion can be based on designated address. Comes with touch-sensitive keypad function. The wireless integration with video phone allows to open the door from monitor. Easy integration with home automation allows you to open the door from your mobile app. Check our full range of products today.